What's up guys, and welcome back to another G35 video. In today's video, we're actually gonna be doing something really special with all the cars. We're gonna end up Christmas wrapping all the cars for holiday season. We're just gonna do that for fun as well. So we're gonna end up wrapping the G35. We're gonna end up wrapping Thomas's E46 and then Thomas's girlfriend's Corolla. Yes.
1 hour later.
Oh shit. Dude, this looks sick. This actually looks cool. We're basically like halfway done with this right now. 3 hours so far. And we need like 2 more. I'm at the rear bumper right now. Pretty cool. No! So after about like 5 hours of wrapping, we're barely done. We didn't get to do Thomas's car, but we're done. This was a pain in the ass to do. Hey Thomas, did you like it?
Oh, it was fun, dude. Amazing. 10 out of 10 would do again.
Is this Master Tech approved?
It's Master Tech approved.
So we had to pull over because the front hood started flapping around. Thomas's car, the whole roof is gone. Where the hell is it, Thomas?
About a quarter mile that way.
So we're just gonna retape it and make sure that doesn't happen again because I don't want to get blinded or blind somebody else. Surprisingly, everything else looks good besides the hood. The trunk looks good. Nothing was moving around. I think now that there's like condensation, a little bit of the water's helping to keep it down and kind of stick to the paint. Pretty good. I'm kind of proud. Did this all by myself. Thomas, final thoughts.
We need more tape.
We need more tape. So this ended up flying away when we were driving. So overall, I mean, it came out great.
Yeah.
I mean, we did take 5 hours to do it, but the bow adds a lot to it. The lighting here is like really good.
You know, like the whole...
Oh yeah, and then the roof just flying off.
Came off.
Was this worth it or no?
It was a cool experience. I don't know about doing it again though, but I mean, it's definitely fun.
Damn. Look at that. Whoa, look at that man, huh? A man in a machine.